Hello everyone and welcome to Satin Flower Making by Janice Creative Flowers. This is tutorial 18 and we are going to learn how to make our first Holy Communion wreath. Yes, first we will see the materials required. Yeah, I need the FMN flowers. I am using FMN flowers to make the first Holy Communion wreath. So if you want to learn how to make these FMN flowers, then please go through my video on this, how to make forget me not flowers, FMN forget me not flowers. There's a video on my channel. So I need 8 of them, yeah, approximately 8. Floral tape, a white color one I'm using because I'm making first Holy Communion wreath. A pair of scissors and this flower making wire and satin ribbon, 1/2 inch I am using. This is 1/2 inch satin ribbon. And then I need a glue gun. Yeah, okay, fine. So now let us start. Take the wires like this. Here I am making a free size wreath because people are having the different head circumferences. So yeah, I'm going to make a free size wreath and then I'm going to show you how to tie this. Yeah, so we are going to make a wreath like this. So yeah, so first we will arrange the flowers on the wire and then I will show you how to arrange this wreath and tie this. Yeah, okay. So take the wires, 2 wires, the thick flower making wires, and take the floral tape like this and wrap it around. That is for keeping these wires together. Why we are wrapping is we have to make a wreath. So I'm wrapping the tape to keep these wires together like this. So this I have to do until the end. So let me finish that. Yeah, so I'm almost done. So then we are going to bend it like this. Yeah, so now we are keeping it open-ended and start arranging the flowers. Leave some space, this much of space here, yeah, because I need this much, this space if you see, to tie it into a wreath. So we are not going to start from the very beginning, yeah, so leave this much, yeah, approximate. I'm not giving you any measurement, this much centimeter, that much centimeter. This is all approximate. So and hold the flower like this and wrap it. One I did. Leave little distance. Another. Now 1 and 2, go for the third. Yeah, so in this way I am going to arrange all 8 FMN flowers. Yeah, the 8th flower, so I'm done arranging all the 8 flowers. Okay, yeah, so this much of space left at both the corners, both the ends. Now take the floral tape and you need to wrap it or it doesn't look good. The zigzag doesn't look good, so you have to wrap it. So in this way we have to complete until the end. Yeah, I'm coming to the end. Right? Yes. So see, this is how my wreath looks. Yeah, all 8 flowers. Fine. Now I'm going to take the satin ribbon, the 1/2 inch satin ribbon, using glue gun. I need to wrap the satin ribbon. You need to apply glue for every second turn, every second round, I can say, because otherwise satin ribbon is very smooth, so there is a chance that if it comes out, I mean, if you do like, if you add glue in the beginning and then in the end, then there is a possibility that the satin ribbon comes out in the middle. So after every 2 turns, add glue. Yeah, yeah. Make sure that in the end you are applying glue well, and then so leave this much of ribbon. Same I'll do for the another end. Okay, so same is done on the another side, and I'm going to cut equal length of ribbon. Yeah, okay. So now we are going to see how to tie this what knot or a bow, and how to arrange it into a wreath. Yeah. Okay. Now, based on the head circumference, yeah, like place this on the head. It is used, and wrap it like this. You don't need to apply any glue over here. To the half distance, and then same to the half distance. Yeah. So one has the finishing on one side and one on the another side. So first what you do is tie the knot. Okay, holding them tight is very important. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. If you want, tie one more knot on the other side to make it sure and firm, so that it is standing at one place. Yeah. And then very simple, the way we tie the bow, like this much and here this much. Yeah. Okay, so we are done. The wreath is ready. You can tie a small bow also, and if there is extra ribbon you can cut it. If you don't want the ribbon to hang, you can cut it. It's all up to you. Finally our wreath is ready. It looks like this. Okay, it was like this. Yeah. So if you like my work, the flowers and the flower making process, please subscribe to my channel. I'm happy if you give a like, and if you have any questions or would like to give some comments, you are free to put your comments in the comment section, and if you would like to share it, that is well and good. Thank you everyone.